guys, welcome to Crimson Chaos's channel. Today a minute ago I was making a video of me cutting a stress reliever open. I was cutting a stress reliever open, and it was this one. It's like messy, and well, I loved how I just cut it open, and I loved. It was like so much fun cutting it open, but it like stick to the blue, and I couldn't even get it out. And it has kinetic sand in it. So yeah. So I am gonna be making a balloon full of beads, and these beads are like kind of squishy. So yeah. So I need water. You're probably wondering why I need water. But I just need it. But I'm gonna go find something to put my water in. I'm gonna dump it now. Okay guys, I dumped it out. Now, I dumped it out. I'm gonna get some scissors. Oh, my scissors are here. Just for a filler or something, or whatever you call it. Now I'm gonna take my pink balloon, I guess. The pink one, and I'm gonna fill it up. What beads? Oh no. I hope my video isn't too long, because if it's too long, I can't post this video. Okay guys, as you see, I'm a little kid doing my own channel. I'm 6 years old, and I'm doing my own channel. I actually am. I'm 6 years old, and I'm doing my own channel. As you guys know, that I have boyfriends, and one of my boyfriends gave me this picture of him giving me flowers, and it's like so sweet of him. And I know you guys probably don't have any boyfriends because you're probably 5 years old, or like 12, or like you're probably like 4 years old. So you probably can't have boyfriends if you're like 4 years old or 3 years old or 1 year old or something, because you're like really young, and I'm not young. I am big, and I am 6 years old. So that means that like you're big and you're allowed to have boyfriends. But you're not like allowed to have boyfriends when you're like 6 years old or 5 year old or something. But I want to have a boyfriend when I'm 6 years old, and I am 6 years old. And one of my boyfriends moved away, and his name is Wesley. Yeah. My bead got stuck.
Okay, next. Step 4. Observe what happened and gather information. Sunspot.
Okay guys, I think this was a fail, but I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.